I'm at 6mm Airsoft, and today's scenario is called Supply Lines. It is a narco-themed game where there are two militia groups, us and an enemy, who need to fight to dominate the jungle. The objective is quite simple. We have to control the supply routes, recover hidden stashes of flour, which we all know what that is, and secure heavy weapon supplies, all while working to sabotage the enemy's plans. So, let's get right into it.
Which way are we going? This way. Okay. Yeah, you said game on. Try not to slip on the mud. I've got zero grip on these.
Our first objective is straightforward. The group I'm with is heading out to capture and secure Pablo's crashed plane, which is located in the jungle. The plane sits right in between the two militia factions, the Blues and the Reds, which makes it a highly contested hotspot. This area is also where most of the action will take place in this video.
Quite a nice one.
We'll wait for the old boys to get here.
Alright, I'll set up front then. What side are they coming from? Okay.
Got
him. He's dead.
If I'm in the way, just let me know. Yep. Sorry.
Hey. Got him. He's dead. Another one left. Nice. That's two dead. Not the best one, but
Yeah, that benefits them more than
if it works, it works. Yeah. Is that red on the left or? Så det var ni? Hey Stu. Where behind? Buildings. Yep, moving left through buildings. Another one, that's 2. Was that blue that died? Wait, I'm medic. Got him. Ok, no. Minuta bra. Po prawej nie żyje. Wziąłem do. Chyba drugi jest tam z tyłu, nie wiem. Movement right. Right side. Po prawej jeden.
No. Was it? You just leave it in action. Yeah, no, single shot. Yeah. What FPS? 303. Was it? Oh, okay. I was just thought that that's the active sniper. That's the actual thing about it. I didn't want it to be that powerful.
Got him, he's dead. Ten po lewej nie żyje już, a niebieskich mamy po prawej tam. Ej, czerwony. Oh, if you need medic, come here. They're blue, they're blue. Lewo idzie. Aye, left side, red. Bo mam tutaj małe dziurki, czekaj. Jak widzę czerwone, to strzelam, czy nie? Popatrz, tu mam taką małą dziurkę, że widzę jak chodzą. I tam po lewej, przez te czaki, widać jak ruszają się, to tam strzelam.
Dalej, tu ja widzę.
Keep hitting the branches. But there's a guy down there. One red, full blacked out. We got another coke back. Three. Shit.
These bags are the bags we were meant to take to either Hector or the depot. However, we took 0 to depot and 17 to Hector, meaning we got $85,000 from Hector but 0 from depot. Each bag was also worth around $5,000. Obviously this is in the UK and it's pounds, but the game was themed around narcos, so it was in dollars.
Is that blue? Yes. Blue that what about that one there? I'll take it to them. Got another one for you.
Medic off the dead player.
Hey.
Oh, medic off the dead. Is he alive, was it?
Hey.
Oh, they were both.
Oi. Who needs? Come here. Come here. I'm medic.
No.
Oh,
Give me the coat.
Oh.
Because I can go respawn behind him.
Oh, okay. Alright, we go back in a bit. Dobra. Aha, mają. A co w środku jeszcze nie ma, ale...
Ugh, fucking creepy spider. All over my fucking head.
Gdzie są?
Crouch down there.
Do you want to get in behind here? Because shots are coming. Okay.
Crouch down there. No, crouch right further in. Further in. Right. Hold up. This range first. There you go. Hey!
Hit! Good trade.
I tried to flank you guys, but there's so many of you. I was like, I'm gonna get fucked.
Yeah. To be fair, I heard your steps, that's why I turned around. Otherwise I would not know you were there. Nice hit though.
Hey, nice hit, straight in the fucking head that was.
Good shit.
Mate, it's a really fun day. I thought it was gonna be shit. But
Yeah, nah, it's...
been great so far.
Yeah.
That's some really good firefights already. That'll make it better. Even if you just drop that down.
Yeah, you hit me in a fight, like, not fight, but around there, so... Good shot.
You aimed at you, like, the first two shots, I was like, no, just completely missed them. I was like, I could have had that. Oh, drifted off just then. You're fine, what it is, not a lot of it, because it's hitting it.
Him.
It was just down that then, that was me, I'm like, bombarding your mass. I just came from there. You need your breath to go
Yeah.
away.
I turned around, shot him, and you shot me back.
So he got me a damage.
Yeah.
He got me.
We traded.
I went literally, I went from the back there all the way around the whole thing to come and get to you guys.
Wait, is there normal blues there?
Sorry.
Damn.
The whole, I'm meant to be dead on me, the whole, like, I couldn't find a blue for 10 minutes.
Oh wow.
So, like, yeah.
Well, 10 minutes to get shot.
All the time thinking, you know what, I'm as stealthy as a fucking panther. And you're there going, I can hear that guy.
Because the thing is, he got shot. I'm like, wait, someone's there. I aimed that way, I'm like, no one's there.
And
Footsteps.
I bet
Boom.
in that millisecond he got hit, you heard me put up,
Yeah.
like, yeah, he's behind us, yeah. How did you get in here? Huh? Which way did you get in here? I fucking came this way for him. Right, bleeding out. Let me get to fucking
You bleeding out.
Yeah.
Actually, I need babies, I'm going to get to fucking camp.
Yep. Bleeding out, yeah. Are you? Okay.
It was probably these who shot us, to be honest, because we've been down there for the last 20 minutes.
Oh, no. It was that guy over there, he just walked off, he literally snuck around. It's been clear so far, to be fair, apart from the 1 and 2. There we go. Now he caught it. What are they?
Ball's coming this way.
Okay. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
After rewatching this a little bit, I did get hit. I didn't hear it nor feel it, so I do apologise to whoever hit me. That was a good shot on my camera. I just did not hear it or feel it, so.
Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hit! Bleeding out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's one more down to the right. Where to? Come. I went right just to that tree there because they were stuck there, so I gave it to someone. So I'm not. Is it towards com? Hey, I don't know. One more to the right. I'll take in a sec. Right. There's one more on the right. You know where I shot that guy while I got killed? There's one more down there.
Did you fancy did the run with it? Bag? We've got 2 of them.
Sure, if I die, I die.
Must say, you had a nice try shooting me. Hey, sniper tam, prosto. I'm on my last mag. Na pewno? Dzięki. Zaraz użyję. Potrzymaj na tak, bo jest, mam tam.
Coś to było.
Dobra. Jakie używasz? A dobra. Nie wiem gdzie poszedł, ale tam gdzieś był. Snajper. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Why? 4, 5.
After successfully capturing and defending Pablo's plane for the first objective, I ran out of BBs and battery life, so I had to head back to the safe zone. I did leave my camera there to charge, however, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and want to see more content like this, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.
You got one? I heard it.